Okay, y'all, I made my first brain pop. Took me a little longer than I thought, but I think it turned out pretty good. I did more than I needed to for sure. But let's see how it goes. I'll share it with you now. You're only going to need to do it between like 5 and 10 slides, 1 to 2 minutes, and that should do it.
Dear Jennifer and Moby, do athletes have bigger hearts than non-athletic people? From a friend. Athletes' bodies are often conditioned, their muscles are strong, and you might wonder, is their heart bigger or stronger as well? Let's take a look. Researchers have found that there are subtle changes in the size and structure of athletes' hearts after intense physical training. Athletes have slightly thicker muscles in their atrium of their heart where the blood enters the heart, and also slightly thicker muscles in the ventricle, the bottom part of the heart where blood is squeezed and pumped out either to the lungs or after it's oxygenated, it's squeezed out from the ventricle to the rest of the body, but the muscles are slightly enlarged in both. So why do athletes' hearts get bigger or more thick? And that is a good question. And this starts off because athletes' muscles use a lot of energy.
How do muscles get their energy?
So oxygen helps break down glucose, and when that glucose is broken down, energy is released in the form of ATP for the muscles to use.
So how do the cells get their oxygen and glucose they need to make energy?
Blood carries the oxygen from the lungs and glucose that has been broken down in the digestive system. And the mighty mitochondria releases the energy as ATP. And so when an athlete does a lot of working out, the heart has to pump more blood, which makes it strong.
Thank you to Brainpop and Stanford Healthcare for providing me with the information I needed to make this movie.
Notice I included my resource at the very, very end. Very important. Thank you.